So hello and welcome back to another video. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be unboxing this brand new package that I got from Telstra. I did not pay my own money for this. I had to redeem my Telstra points in order to get this delivered to my place. And to be honest, although I know what's in the box, I don't know the model number. It's basically speakers for my computer because sometimes I want to edit videos and I don't want to have headphones over my head. So I thought maybe a speaker is gonna solve that. So I was looking for speakers and I was thinking I'm gonna buy them. But then suddenly I got a message from Telstra saying that my points are about to expire and asking me to redeem them. So I went to Telstra's website, saw my points, and then I found out that I could basically claim a speaker without needing to pay any additional money. So I could basically use all my points and still have some points remaining in order to get this free of cost. So without any further delays, let's just unbox this and see what the packaging is like. This is a speaker from Logitech. I don't know the model number, but once we unbox this, we can see what the model number is. And then we're also going to be pairing it up with my setup here, although it's a mess at the moment because sometimes you work from home, obviously things clutter, and every week when you have the weekend you clean it up just to let it clutter again over the weekdays. So yeah, let's just get this unboxing done now and then do the setup. Do I think that they're the best speakers that money can buy for your home setup? No, but this was free, so I can't complain. Okay, so the model number here, it says the Z313, and it's 50 watt peak power, simple setup. I think it's 3.5 millimeter headphone jack that goes into your laptop or your docking station or whatever you have. And this is from Logitech, as you can see by the branding here. So let's see what else. And this is the back. It basically says the same thing, 50 watts, simple setup and easy controls. And you do get two speakers with a subwoofer, which is inside the box itself. Kind of small packaging for three stuff to be in it, but again, this is not a super expensive item and probably not the best in the market, but again, this was free, so I can't complain. Also, I am sweating up here because I have my studio lights in here, and although the weather in Australia is kind of winter now, because of the studio light in my room, winter doesn't exist at the moment. Okay, they've taped it here, and I don't have a knife here, but that shouldn't matter. Okay, some paperwork. Okay, let's see. Oh, they give you like a carrying bag, so that's good. I'm gonna put this on the desk here. Oh, and the two speakers, they're not big. They're kind of very small. I almost dropped it. So yeah, these are the two speakers on my hand. They're not very big and they don't feel premium. They don't feel like, you know, they've got any weight. So it's going to be interesting to actually find out how they sound. So let's put this on the desk as well and clutter my desk even more. Okay, now I can put this box on the side. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so this is the sub. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap out as well. And there's a plug right here. They have heavily used plastic in this, to be honest. Like, come on, seriously? Doesn't add any protection, but I think they're under the assumption that it does. Oh my God, I don't know, like whoever packaged this, they are the worst. They've got a special place in you-know-where. Yeah, it doesn't need to be packaged like this. Seriously, like, it doesn't protect anything. Like, I don't know what their deal is. I have a feeling just to take this bubble wrap and all the plastic wraps, I feel like I'm gonna actually break the wire or something. Okay, so you plug this on the wall and you have a 3.5 millimeter jack that probably goes into your laptop or your docking station. And you do have these speakers, which also has only one wire that plugs into your sub. So I don't know if you can see this, but maybe I can carry it and bring it closer to the camera. So here, there is a speaker output. So the two speakers that you do get in the box, that plugs in right here via a 3.5 millimeter jack. And once you do that, your subwoofer, I think, plugs into your laptop or your docking station that's going to be connected to your laptop. Oh my God, I'm sweating. It's very hot here. Okay, more plastic. So let's get this out of the way as well. Oh my God, seriously, Logitech, I don't know why you do this. This doesn't help anyone. This is just not good experience. I don't know what you want to... Oh my God, seriously. Yeah, this is very pathetic. This is pathetic, to be honest. Okay, I'm back again. I just had to go out to get scissors and I am not sure if this is gonna go in as well because the way they packed it is just so wrong. Man, Trust me, Logitech, like seriously, this is not good. This is not good. There's definitely ways you can improve on this. So as I was saying, these speakers right here, they don't have too much weight in them and they don't feel very premium. So I'm kind of worried that the sound might not be that good. But again, for something free, I'm not going to complain at all. But obviously I have to complain about the packaging because that was just worse. So what we're going to do now is we're going to be setting this up with my laptop that's behind these displays. So maybe let's just get started with that. Okay, let's do this. So now that we've untied the wires, what we're gonna do is gonna find a place to have the sub. So I'm thinking, because on the corner there's a space, so I'm probably gonna put the sub there, but then I would have to rethink how I'm actually gonna power the sub because there is no open plug there. So okay, let's figure that out first. As you can probably see here, I don't know what this is called, but yeah, it's on the bottom, and every time I'm grabbing this by the bottom, it's actually pressing it inside. Okay, let's try to see if we can make space here. It's a mess behind this display, to be honest. Which one is right and which one is left? Do we know? How do we even know? Oh, this is R. It's written here, so we'll orient it like that. So how do I want it is one's right here, and then maybe the other right here. Trust me, there's a lot of space that we need to make, but for now, let's just get this over with. Let's just orient it as we want it. Here, yeah, that's good. That's good enough. Now, let's take this wire from here to position it. We position this better now. I'm gonna plug this behind. Hopefully that does the job. Okay, I think that's it. So now what we do, firstly, we power on the computer. Okay, the computer is powered on. Now what we try to do is there's this remote here, which says Logitech, and there's a power switch as well as a volume slider. So let's hit this power button. And as we can see here, it's green. Now let me check the computer settings. I've done sound. Okay, it says external headphones port. Okay, now let's go to Safari, go to YouTube, and then we try to find some no copyright music, or maybe let's do speaker test first. Okay, let's do this, and let's do stereo check. Okay, left and right are working completely fine. I can hear them fine. Okay, the sound I just played could get me copyright, so I'm gonna find a no copyright sound test. And the volume, there's a volume slider here, so I've like put it to the max volume. It does sound good because I already tested. So now let's see, you know, like with the volume high, how does it compare?
We'll begin with left, 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 right, right, right. Then we'll continue with low bass sounds.
Yep, they sound good. They do sound good. The left channel is perfect, right channel is perfect, the center channel is perfect, and the bass is quite good. I did not expect such a small device could have such a good quality. And also, even if you had to pay for this, I think this was like a very cheap device. I'll try to Google the price and then I'll put it up on the screen, but this is amazing, to be honest, and 100% better because this is free. Even if you had to buy this for a little bit amount of money, I think this would definitely be good for occasional use on your home setup. Obviously, if you're doing a really good high quality production audio engineering stuff, this might not be very appropriate, but for your working from home setup, or if you're doing video editing and you want to be able to listen to sounds without wearing your headphones, then this is definitely going to be perfect, and I'm really happy with this, and especially because it's free. I guess that's been it for this video. I just wanted to quickly unbox it and set it up in my home office. The whole reason for that is whenever I'm editing my daily vlogs or any other video, sometimes I don't want to wear headphones. I would much rather have some speakers rather than utilizing my MacBook speakers as well, because my MacBook is in a clamshell mode and the speaker sound when the laptop is in a clamshell mode is like horrendous, so I really don't like that, and I always had to resort to wearing headphones, and sometimes you just don't want to do that. But now with the addition of these speakers, it's 100% gonna be better. The speaker is Logitech Z313, and this is definitely worth it if you're getting it for free. If you can redeem your points at Telstra or any other way, this is definitely gonna be worth it if you are not paying anything. But if the price is too cheap, this might also be worth it. Yeah, I think this is gonna be good even if you're, you know, like trying to get started to have like a better speaker for your home setup and you're trying to do this at a cheap budget. This could be your thing as well. So with that being said, now I'll end the video right here. Thank you for watching this video this far. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Till then, bye.